Nissan, renowned for its iconic GT-R lineup, has unveiled two exclusive special editions for the 2024 model year, adding a new chapter to the legendary saga of this performance vehicle. These limited production models, named the GT-R T-spec Takumi Edition and the GT-R Skyline Edition, epitomize Nissan's commitment to excellence and innovation in automotive engineering. The GT-R T-spec Takumi Edition pays tribute to the skilled artisans behind the creation of each GT-R VR38-DETT engine. These master craftspeople, known as Takumi, meticulously hand-assemble each engine, ensuring unparalleled precision and quality. To celebrate their craftsmanship, the Takumi Edition features a distinctive red-etched engine badge, showcasing the dedication and expertise of the Takumi. In addition to the special engine badge, the GT-R T-spec Takumi Edition boasts a gold VIN plate in the engine bay, symbolizing the exclusivity and luxury of this limited production model. The exterior of the Takumi Edition is adorned with a striking midnight purple paint job, reminiscent of some of the most iconic special editions in the history of the GT-R lineup. Complementing the exterior, the interior features exclusive Mori Green trim, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to the cabin. Furthermore, the GT-R T-spec Takumi Edition is equipped with a range of thrilling mechanical enhancements, including GT-R NISMO carbon ceramic brakes and gold-painted raised 20-inch forged wheels. The vehicle also benefits from NISMO-tuned vehicle dynamic control and wider front fenders, enhancing both performance and aesthetics. Drawing inspiration from the scenic skylines of Japan, Nissan introduces the GT-R Skyline Edition to the US market. This special edition builds upon the GT-R premium model, featuring a captivating Bayside Blue exterior paint color. The color, once retired after the R34-generation GT-R, was revived in 2019 for the 50th anniversary edition, adding a nostalgic touch to the Skyline Edition. Inside, the GT-R Skyline Edition showcases a stunning new Sora Blue interior color scheme, evoking the beauty and tranquility of the Japanese sky. The combination of Bayside Blue exterior and Sora Blue interior creates a harmonious and visually captivating aesthetic, reflecting the rich heritage and culture of Japan. While details and pricing for the 2024 Nissan GT-R T-spec Takumi Edition and Skyline Edition are yet to be announced, both models are expected to arrive at select US Nissan dealerships in the summer of 2024. With their limited production numbers and exclusive features, these special editions are anticipated to capture the hearts of automotive enthusiasts and collectors alike, continuing the legacy of the Nissan GT-R as a symbol of performance and innovation in the automotive industry.